What's up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox the exclusive special Wicked Witch Build-A-Bear that I received in the mail. I'm so excited. It was not available in stores, but you can still order it online. So let's get right into it. In this box, I have the Build-A-Bear, and I have not opened it. It is a completely sealed box. I'm so excited to see what she looks like. So let's do it. I wonder if she's going to have like one of the, you know how Build-A-Bear, they always do the little carrying cages when you take them home. I wonder if it's going to have that in here or not. Ooh, I see green. Okay, so the first thing I see is a birth certificate. So she's 16 inches and 7 ounces. Green, Kelly green bear. So when you go to Build-A-Bear, they always give you a little birth certificate for your bear. I don't know if any of you guys have ever gone there. It's just something cute. It makes your children, or if you're like me and you're a big child, it makes you feel like, oh, I actually have a newborn bear. So there's that. And then there's this, I guess it's their mission statement, it looks like, maybe. It says, "We believe in timeless comfort of teddy bear hugs. Sharing hugs and stuffing each furry friend with love are our ways of adding a little more love to your life. Since 1997, millions of furry friends have been made around the world, and our bear builders have placed a special heart inside of them." Oh yes, so it did actually say on the website when I ordered the bear that they pre-stuffed these at the factory. So there's a little heart inside my bear. If I opened her up, I would see that. So this bear is, the actual title of her is, she's this right here. And it is the online exclusive, the Wizard of Oz Wicked Witch bundle. So she is $49, but there is a 30% off coupon code right now. So I would take advantage of that if you want this bear, because she won't last long, and they rarely do this type of sales. Actually, when I bought mine, I did not have a coupon code. So I paid the full for $49, and then I think it was like $10 for shipping. All right, so let's see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, she is so freaking cute. Oh my god. So I have to point up her little hat a little more. Oh my gosh, she's really cute. There's some packing fuzz or something on her, so it doesn't have that little crate that they usually send you home with the bears, but that's okay. It says right here is the Wizard of Oz line. I don't know if that has a glare on it or not. Ooh. So it says Build-A-Bear Workshop presents the Wizard of Oz, and then you can put whatever name you want on the little tag, or you can take the tag off. I'll probably end up taking it off, but she is adorable. She has like the prettiest green color. It's super vibrant. It's even more vibrant in person than it was on the actual website. So she has this broom, and it's just like a really soft material, so she's huggable. And this beautiful satin dress. It has the kind of traditional crisscross witchy lace look right here, and a full skirt that's satiny. And this material feels so nice and soft. I just love it. And I really love that she has, just like the actual Wicked Witch in the movie has the puffed up sleeves, she has the puffed up sleeves on her dress as well. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then she has, of course, her beautiful witch hat. And it has like a wire or something in it, I feel like. Not a wire, but it has some type of material in it that makes it very easy to form whichever way you want it. So you can like move the brim around and move this around. You can put it like that, put it like that. I just like mine pointy. And then she has this cute little bow on the back of her hat. And I just love her face. She looks so pretty and fierce. Look at this little look and makeup. She has some cat eyes going on. She is adorable. And she has her little mole, just like the Wicked Witch has in the movie. Some green lipstick. So she's just all kinds of shades of green. Okay, so my favorite part about the witch, well, first of all, she's so soft and it feels so good. But my favorite part is at the bottom of the feet. It has the actual Wicked Witch. How cute is that? And it's her holding her broom. I just love that. And then on the other foot, it has the Wizard of Oz logo. So both of her little feet look like that, and it just like really solidifies that it's a special edition Wizard of Oz bear. I love her. I'm so excited. My mama gave me a gift card for Build-A-Bear because she knew I really wanted a bear. And actually the one that I wanted was the pumpkin glow bear, but back when I got the gift card, they still had the glow bear and they had not released the Wicked Witch bear yet. So I waited a few days to go to the Build-A-Bear workshop and at my local mall, and I wore my mask, went to the workshop, and unfortunately they were completely sold out. I was so upset, and so I went online really quickly to go order the glow bear online, and unfortunately he was sold out online too. But I was really happy because when I went online, I actually saw they had just released this Wicked Witch bear, and I would have much rather had her than the glow bear anyways, because she's just awesome, and I love and collect little witches. I loved Wizard of Oz as a kid. It was one of my favorite movies. It just has that timeless quality. You can watch it any time of the year. I probably still watch it once a year just to have that nostalgia. I can't believe that they were able to do such a cool production for the time it was created. But yeah, she's so cute. Oh, and look, and she has a cape too. Oh, I just noticed she has a cape. So when she's she has a little cape. Oh, it's so cute. I love her. So I did want to show you guys some of my other favorite spooky stuffed animals I have, because I just think that they're fun and cute, and I didn't want to like do a whole video on spooky stuffed animals because I don't have a ton, but I wanted to show you what I do have. I got these last year as a gift. I think it was from my mama also, but it's this cute little Sally doll, Nightmare Before Christmas. She probably got these at Walmart or like Walgreens. I know they always have a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. And then Jack, of course, they have to go together. So I love these little guys. I think they're so cute and fun, and I actually just sit them in my living room amongst my Halloween pillows, or sometimes I put them on my bed. It just depends. And my other favorite spooky stuffed animal is one that I got this year as a gift from my grandma, and she said she got this at Cracker Barrel, and he is a TY Halloween bat. I don't know if you can see, but his wings are so glittery. He's so cute. I love him. I named him Baby Vlad, and I actually take him with me everywhere. Like, I bring him in the car, I bring him everywhere. I just think he's the cutest little thing, and he is kind of like my little comfort animal. And I love his little glittery wings and feet, and he has glittery eyes also. I just love little Baby Vlad. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I am probably going to order one more bear before this Halloween season is finished. I am thinking about getting the Bride of Frankenstein bear, or maybe another spooky bear if I can just narrow it down to one. It's it's really hard. They also have a Harry Potter line, which is really cool too, but I want to take advantage. I have a little bit left on my gift card, and they have that 30% off coupon right now, so I really want to take advantage of that. But let me know if you have any suggestions on which bear I should get. Let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, because I will be posting every single day until Halloween, and then I have an extra special video on Halloween day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you